Click on the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified for new videos. Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Asimarif and today in this short video I'm gonna show you how you can install iOS 13 keyboard in your Android phone. It will look amazing when you will be able to get the iOS 13 like keyboard in your Android phone. So if you want to get that keyboard, then watch this video till end. But before that, if you are new to my channel, then you can subscribe to my channel by clicking on this red subscribe button below the video and don't forget to press the bell icon. So without wasting more time, let's get started. So guys, for that I will suggest you an application that is 100% safe and secure because it is available in the Google Play Store. So open your Google Play Store and search an application named Apple Keyboard. After that, download and install this application in your phone. I have already done that, so there is no need to install it again. So I will simply open this application now. When you will open this application for the first time, then its interface will be something like this. Here you have to complete the 3 steps in order to get the iOS 13 keyboard in your phone. So let's complete the first step. Tap on Enable in Settings and enable this application in Settings. After that, go back. Then you will be redirected to the second step. And the second step is to switch input methods. So tap on this and select Apple Keyboard. Now simply tap on the finish button and that's it. Now let's see how it is looking. As you can see here, it is the iOS 13 keyboard in your Android phone. And now let's move towards the customization of this keyboard. Here there are 3 colors available, dark, red and blue. You can select these colors and then there are some general settings like auto capitalization, double space, full stop, vibrate on key press, sound on key press and pop-up on key press. You can customize this keyboard according to your own choice. And so guys, that was all for today. If you want more videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment below in the comment section on which topic the next video should be, so I will try to make videos on that topics. So see you in the next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz.